Welcome back Australia and New Zealand. Please subscribe this channel for more weather and cyclone forecast for Australia, New Zealand, Fiji and Mauritius. Thanks. Intensity, tropical low, sustained winds near the center of 55 km per hour with wind gusts to 85 km per hour. Location, within 95 km of 19.0 degrees south 118.2 degrees east, estimated to be 150 km north-northwest of Port Hedland and 240 km northeast of Karratha. Movement, west at 16 km per hour. A tropical low north of the Pilbara coast is expected to develop into a tropical cyclone on Sunday. The developing low is expected to move west, parallel to the Pilbara coast tonight and on Sunday. From Monday, the cyclone is expected to be moving southwest and away from the WA coast. Gales with damaging wind gusts may develop about coastal and island communities between De Grey and Dampier, including Port Hedland, Karratha and Dampier from early Sunday morning, extending west to Mardai later Sunday morning, Exmouth Sunday evening and to Ningaloo early Monday. As the system moves westwards, parallel to North WA coast during the weekend, a storm tide is expected between De Grey and Exmouth during Sunday and Monday. Large waves may produce minor flooding along the foreshore. People living in areas likely to be affected by this flooding should take measures to protect their property as much as possible and be prepared to help their neighbours. Tropical low 11U is located off the Pilbara coast in Western Australia and is generating high-level cloud, rain and embedded thunderstorms over the northern Western Australian region. Low to high-level cloud lies over central parts of Western Australia due to a cold front in the south, a low-pressure trough further inland, and moisture inflow from the low 11U. Much of Kimberley region, the top end, and parts of the Cape York Peninsula is covered in high-level cloud and scattered thunderstorm activity. A low-pressure system and trough situated offshore in the northern Tasman Sea, combined with a high-pressure system south of Tasmania, brings patches of mid to upper level cloud to coastal parts of the southeast of New South Wales and broadly across northeastern New South Wales and southeastern Queensland. For New Zealand, daytime heating and low-level wind convergence are expected to produce scattered showers about inland parts of the South Island this afternoon and evening. There is an associated low risk of isolated thunderstorms about inland parts of the South Island from inland Tasman, Nelson and Marlborough, through inland Canterbury and Otago to Clutha, as indicated on the chart. If any thunderstorms do occur, they will produce localized heavy rain. No thunderstorms or significant convection expected in other areas of New Zealand during this period.